Hi everyone, my name is Chef Tan. Welcome to the World Food Studio. Today I would like to introduce for you very nice healthy dishes and special for Buddha or for many people, vegan or vegetarian, they can enjoy. They call fresh vegan spring roll. How to make it nicely, roughly and delicious, we will do it with me right now. To prepare for a nice vegan fresh spring roll, we got some ingredients now. We got some zeng tofu, some cucumber, and we have to slide them up nicely. Some lettuce, some kind of mint you have, some garlic chives, and importantly, you need a peanut dipping sauce. And how to make a peanut dipping sauce? Please watch in the link above. So now we prepare something for tofu right now here. I slide in the tofu, and I put inside hot oil. To making the spring roll look more attractive, I will make in some carrots, flour. And how to make a carrot flour, I think you know very well. Just get a angle, triangle, the carrots. Okay. Then you can use the Vietnamese peeler. Slide them up. Thinner. Now also chop up some lettuce. Good. Some mint, I will pick up some leaf. Up. I need on a leaf, no stem. So we have to be just taking a leaf up. You don't chop the mint. We want to keep a nice flavor of the mint into your spring roll. The tofu now, we have cooking now. We see the color, look nice. Golden brown color. Now we prepare for the spring roll right now here. We got a paper, rice paper. We got a paper to absorb the tofu now. We don't want to cook in tofu so crispy because we're losing some flavor and texture of tofu. We just want to get a little bit nice color and not very sharp so we can rolling easier later on. And try to absorb the oil nicely too. That's perfect. That's good. Now we do right now here, we with the water, spray the water on around and making the paper wet evenly. Don't put the paper too wet, also not good. Not good for the spring roll. So what we got right now here, we got some lettuce, some noodle, some mint, cucumber, tofu up on the front, carrot flour on the top, and nicely one roll, fold to side, fold to side. You got a garlic chive. Half outside, half inside, and nicely rolling together. You got a beautiful spring roll, like outside. And you got a beautiful rolling spring roll. I put in here with the peanut sauce. We also garnishing with a little bit carrot flour all around, so the people can enjoy it later on. And chili flour if you have. We got a beautiful fresh spring roll with peanut dipping sauce. Enjoy your time. Thank you very much.